Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on April 7th. That's Monday. And I want to look at Goldman Sachs here. I had mentioned in the weekend update that if Goldman Sachs broke this support level, it was probably going lower. That's what happened. So that wasn't a prediction on my part. It was me saying, hey, guess what? If support breaks down, it's breaking down, and that means the stock's going lower. And that's what happened. Think about it this way, though. What's really going on is everybody that bought here is a loser. They're losing money. All of these people right here. Okay, it doesn't really matter that far back. Nobody who bought here is still regretting it and likely to sell here. It doesn't happen. So we're talking about the short-term dynamics of trading. But when this stock breaks down, you just know that you're going to get some follow-on selling, particularly with the market as it is. Now, after 2 big days of selling, I would actually expect a little bit of a snapback tomorrow just as a function of dynamics. Not that I can say, well, the market's misunderstanding this stock and tomorrow buyers are going to come in because they realize that the bears are wrong and that this is an amazingly cheap stock right here and everybody's going to come for it and it's going to move up to 180 bucks. We're all going to have lost 15 pounds. We're going to look 15 years younger and all of a sudden our wife or our husband is going to be really nice to us all the time. Okay, we're not talking fantasy here. We're talking reality. So what I'm saying is I would if I had to choose between being long or short Goldman, I would be short simply because if we get a bounce, I could see a little bounce tomorrow. I'm not sure that it's going to happen. And like I said, if I had to choose whether to be long or short, I would be short. But we'll probably get some kind of a bounce tomorrow. I just don't see it. I don't see it amounting to much because of all the pain among the buyers here. But one thing I wanted to mention, I was talking to a friend of mine about Goldman. She's trying to learn to trade, and it's frankly a little bit embarrassing to me because she hasn't been trading that long, and she already asks questions that it took me probably a couple of years to think to ask, and I thought I was smart. But look at this trend line. Okay, this is a pretty solid trend line. We go further. Okay, this broke it a little bit, so that's good. We keep going. And here's the deal. Here's support. Okay, so now this is just breaking support. So this is the first sign that this trend is ending, right? This is it. This is the first sign. Only now are you going to say, okay, well, I gotta sell this stock. Not really. You got to look at the highs, and I'm giving you pearls here. If you can draw a resistance line across at least 3 points, because if it's 2 points, that's not a resistance line. That's just the shortest distance between 2 points. It takes 3 points to make a valid trend line. Here we have 4 and then 5. Again, this went above it, and that's a good thing, but the trend line still stands. Then the next high did not come up to meet that. So this actually failed to confirm the resistance line. Okay, that was actually the first indication. That was the first indication that that this thing could sell off. Now, that's not to say that you want to short this and expect this. No, not at all. What it's saying is you look at this, you say, Danger Will Robinson, red flag. You keep your stop just a little bit below that level. I'm drawing the wrong thing here. You keep your stop down about there, and then you're not going to get caught off guard when the stock does sell off. So anyway, that's it. I hope this helps. Members, a little bit longer today, but I swear, the first 15 minutes, I'm going to make you a lot of money. Trust me on that. By the way, if you haven't tried Stock Market Mentor, I said it last week, I'll say it again. I don't know what else to tell you. If you're trading, why don't you go ahead and pay for your trading, okay? I'll see you next time.